Hello everyone, Chantel here, outside in nature. I'm at the Blue Lotus Mindfulness and Meditation Center. And there's no one here but me. It is so quiet and peaceful and beautiful. And I came out here to make a little video. So I want you to get centered, balance yourself, and just lower your gaze or close your eyes wherever you are and just pull the breath into the body. So we're breathing in through the nose, feeling the breath move down into the heart center, feeling it move down into the belly. And I like to breathe out of my mouth. It keeps my jaw relaxed. And as I take my time to get nurtured and to bring a little bit of softness to my heart space and myself, I'll notice my breathing lowers. It becomes a little more shallow, perfectly normal. Good. And I want you to bring to mind a visual of yourself and greet yourself. So I'm looking directly into the eyes of myself. Our foreheads touch. We exchange a breath back and forth. You may just look at yourself like looking in a mirror and just say hello or good morning. There is no right or wrong how you are greeting yourself. And there's no better. Just greet yourself. And notice if there's any dialogue to be exchanged. So maybe you are working on something interesting that you'd like to talk about or share. Or maybe you would just like to offer some gifts of gratitude. Thanks for being there. Thanks for working with me. I've got your back, you've got mine. And just rest in this beautiful space of awareness that you can reach yourself on another level in this quiet, loving heart space. And just relax and visit a moment and breathe. And when you're ready, you can just gently breathe in and out and watch your higher self or just that mirror aspect of yourself kind of dissolve. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and engage. This is a really beautiful way to connect with yourself in the morning or even at night or even at lunchtime. That's my sharing for today. Thanks for joining me. Be well, be mindful, and make a great day.